That looks fucking awful. But instead you say, your decorations are different. Why have you bought me this shit? Ah, what a lovely present. Buy me a good present. Don't worry about getting me a present this year. Get out of this kitchen, Dennis! This one depends a little bit on who Dennis is exactly. So if he's a close family member that comes into the kitchen to help, then you can actually use this one. But if he's extended family, like an in-law or someone like that, then it's all under control, thanks. I need to nap or disassociate or just get away from you people. Should we watch the King's Speech?